Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today we're featuring 15 legendary classic motorcycles for sale across the United States, including rare American icons and timeless collector machines. Number 1. 1937 Harley-Davidson Flathead 45, $17,000, Gulfport, Mississippi. The 1937 Harley-Davidson Flathead 45 represents one of the most iconic pre-war American motorcycles, known for its durability and timeless mechanical design. This example retains its original flathead motor with clean VIN numbers and has recently been gone through, along with the transmission, ensuring a solid mechanical foundation. It features a unique custom setup, including a Springer front end, rigid frame, belt drive primary, and suicide shift, giving it a raw and traditional riding feel. Disc brakes have been added front and rear for improved stopping performance. With its blend of originality and period-style customization, this flathead offers a distinctive vintage riding experience. Number 2. 1947 Indian Chief, $27,000, Spring Hill, Louisiana. The 1947 Indian Chief is one of the most legendary American motorcycles ever produced, recognized for its deep valenced fenders and commanding presence. This example is mostly original, with repainted tins matched in period-correct style, preserving its classic appearance. The numbers are reported to be correct, and the bike is described as ready to ride with a clean title in hand. As one of the most sought-after post-war motorcycles, the Indian Chief represents both historical significance and strong collector appeal, making it a standout piece in any collection. Number 3. 1963 BSA Rocket Gold Star, $29,500, Wartrace, Tennessee. The 1963 BSA Rocket Gold Star is widely regarded as one of the finest British performance motorcycles of its era. Built during the final evolution of the A10 twins, it combines racing heritage with road-going capability. Production numbers were limited, making surviving examples highly collectible. This particular bike is an authentic, restored example and an AACA National Award winner, showcasing its quality and historical accuracy. It retains numerous original components, including factory controls, instrumentation, and hardware, along with a rebuilt engine completed in 2017. For collectors, this Rocket Gold Star represents a rare opportunity to own a top-tier British classic. Number 4. 1969 BMW R69US, $12,900, St. Louis, Missouri. The 1969 BMW R69US is a highly respected vintage touring motorcycle, known for its smooth boxer twin engine and exceptional build quality. This example features matching numbers across the frame, engine, and headstock, adding significant value for collectors. It underwent a comprehensive frame-up restoration after being acquired as a non-running project, including engine overhaul, transmission refurbishment, and final drive rebuild. Additional updates, such as a 12-volt conversion and refreshed suspension components, enhance usability. With its restored condition and documented work, this R69US offers a refined and reliable vintage riding experience. Number 5. 1953 Harley-Davidson Panhead, $20,000, Twin Lakes, Wisconsin. The 1953 Harley-Davidson Panhead is an iconic American V-twin that played a major role in shaping Harley-Davidson's legacy. Known for its distinctive engine design and strong performance, it remains one of the most desirable classic Harley models. This example is described as running great with no leaks, which is notable for a bike of this age. It comes with a Wisconsin title and is ready for use, whether for riding or display. With its classic styling and historical importance, this Panhead represents a true piece of motorcycle history. Number 6. 1954 Ariel Square 4, $12,995, Shelbyville, Indiana. The 1954 Ariel Square 4 is one of the most distinctive British motorcycles ever built, featuring its unique four-cylinder engine layout known for exceptional smoothness and refined performance. This example has been preserved in remarkable condition, having been kept indoors for decades as part of a private collection. Described as museum quality, it reflects careful long-term ownership and pride of preservation. Square 4s are already rare, and finding one in this level of condition is even more uncommon. For collectors, this Ariel represents both engineering uniqueness and a true piece of British motorcycle history. Number 7. 1964 Harley-Davidson FL Panhead, $19,000, Mount Juliet, Tennessee. The 1964 Harley-Davidson FL Panhead is a classic touring motorcycle that showcases the brand's iconic V-twin design and timeless styling. This example has been owned for over 46 years, which speaks to its long-term care and consistency. It features matching numbers and retains most of its original components, with a few thoughtful updates including a 12-volt electrical system and belt drive primary for improved reliability. The bike runs great and offers a balanced mix of originality and usability, making it a strong candidate for both collectors and riders. Number 8. 1974 Norton Commando 850 Roadster Mark II, $8,500, Hayesville, Kansas. The 1974 Norton Commando 850 Roadster Mark II is one of the most respected British motorcycles of its time, known for its performance and distinctive riding character. This example is a proper matching numbers bike with correct period configuration, including right side shift and left side rear brake. It starts easily, runs strong, and offers smooth road manners, making it a true rider rather than a project. The bike remains largely unmodified, preserving the authentic feel and sound that define the Commando. With only minor cosmetic wear, it presents as a well-kept and usable classic ready to be enjoyed. Number 9. 1942 Harley-Davidson Flathead, $26,500, Kewanee, Illinois. The 1942 Harley-Davidson Flathead is a rare wartime-era motorcycle that carries significant historical value. Known for its rugged construction and simplicity, it represents an important period in American motorcycle history. This example features several original components, including the rear breakaway fender, lighting, and suicide shifter, preserving its authentic character. The engine was rebuilt in 1998 and has seen limited use since, helping maintain its condition. With a clean title and strong originality, this Flathead stands out as a unique collector's piece. Number 10. 1979 Triumph 750 Bonneville Special T140, $6,950, Okmulgee, Oklahoma. The 1979 Triumph 750 Bonneville Special T140 is one of the final evolutions of the classic British parallel twin. Known for its balanced performance and timeless styling, it remains a favorite among enthusiasts. This example is described as being in original condition with no known issues and runs as it should. It comes with a clear title and presents as a well-maintained vintage motorcycle. For those looking for a reliable and authentic Bonneville from the late 1970s, this T140 offers a strong combination of usability and classic appeal. Number 11. 1975 Suzuki RE5, $6,000, Ozaki, Kansas. The 1975 Suzuki RE5 is one of the most unique motorcycles ever produced, powered by a rotary engine instead of a traditional piston design. This rare model was only produced for a short time, making it highly collectible among enthusiasts who appreciate unusual engineering. This example has been stored in a garage for around 30 years and has recently been brought back to running condition. It will need new tires and a front brake master cylinder rebuild before regular riding, but overall it presents as a solid and complete bike. For collectors, the RE5 offers a rare opportunity to own a truly distinctive piece of motorcycle history. Number 12. 1970 Triumph Twin Engine Custom, $19,500, Corinth, Mississippi. This 1970 Triumph Custom build is a highly unusual machine featuring a twin engine setup with two 750cc top ends. Originally built in the 1980s and recently restored, it represents a unique interpretation of classic British engineering. The craftsmanship is described as excellent, and the bike runs perfectly, indicating careful assembly and attention to detail. Custom builds like this are rarely seen and offer a one-of-a-kind ownership experience. For enthusiasts looking for something truly different, this Triumph stands out as a conversation piece as much as a motorcycle. Number 13. 1980 Harley-Davidson Low Rider, $12,500, Prior Lake, Minnesota. The 1980 Harley-Davidson Low Rider is a classic cruiser that reflects the style and attitude of its era. This example was part of a custom build completed in honor of the original owner, adding a personal story to the bike's history. It features matching engine and frame numbers, along with both electric start and kickstart options for added convenience. While it has a minimal street setup with basic lighting and no speedometer or turn signals, it functions as intended and runs well. With its custom touches and solid mechanical base, it offers a unique take on a classic Harley. Number 14. A 1965 BSA Lightning, $5,500, Waxahachie, Texas. The 1965 BSA Lightning 650 is a classic British twin known for its strong performance and clean styling. This example has been restored from top to bottom and features matching numbers, which is an important factor for collectors. It comes with documentation and receipts for the restoration, adding confidence in the work completed. While it does not have a title, it includes a bill of sale from North Carolina. With its restored condition and classic appeal, this Lightning offers a well-presented vintage motorcycle ready to be enjoyed or displayed. Number 15. 1995 Honda Goldwing 1500 Trike, $4,500, Edgewood, Texas. The 1995 Honda Goldwing 1500 is a well-known touring motorcycle recognized for its comfort, reliability, and long-distance capability. This example has been fitted with a Voyager trike kit, adding stability and a different riding experience compared to a traditional two-wheel setup. It is a commemorative 20th anniversary edition with only one previous owner and just over 64,000 miles. The bike comes with a clear title along with extras such as a cover and 2 helmets. For riders seeking comfort and practicality, this Goldwing trike offers a unique and ready-to-use touring option. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explore. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back daily for more legendary classic motorcycles across the United States.